this is Angela from JHHY Housing. Today we will show you the folding container house. And you can see the inside there is 2 windows and the white color inside. Also that there is 2 LED lights. Now you can see the other color. The wall panel is brown color with orange shape, and the door is black with the black frame, but inside is white color. Okay, now you can see another color folding container house that is blue color with aluminum window and a diamond mesh mosquito screen, and the door is black color. Inside also white color. And now you can see our workers are assembling the container house. Also the color is white color. And you can see many container houses are ready to ship.